Just like that, huh? That's a pretty good jump there, buddy. Can I have it? Can I have it? Thank you. Too close to the fence. Whoop, 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 and he's gonna jump. Woo! Because he goes boing. Right? Whoop. That was a bad throw. That was a bad throw, Mom. Mom, you can throw it again. Thanks. Oh, we used the stairs this time. Thank you. We're going to try and get a good throw here. Can I have it? Thank you. He's like, you stink at this, Mom. Throw the frisbee straight. Oops. Can I have it? Uh-oh. Can I have it? Go get it. Come on. You gotta give me the frisbee. Get it. You gotta get it, buddy. Come on. Get that frisbee. Get it. Yes, I'm mocking you. Get it. Come on. Come on, Trouble. That is a twig. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Come on! Trouble. Sit. Nope. Sit. Trouble. Leave it. Hey, buddy. Trouble. Trouble. Sit. Trouble. Sit. Good boy. Stay. Hey. Trouble. Yay! Whoa. 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 Hi. Hi. What do you want? Is this, you want the frisbee?